viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. And today we have Mr. Oon with us from Growatt. A very warm welcome to EQ, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Sir, can you just let us know about Growatt, like how it came into the solar industry?
Yes, just a very quick glance. We were founded in 2011, and quickly in 2017 we become number one in home use inverters global supply, and then very quickly we become world number four in all sorts of inverters solar in terms of in the industry itself. So right now I believe for Growatt our main focus is try to expand our manufacturing facility and also our distribution network around the world, especially in India market right now.
And if you talk about this REI 2025, so what are your product offerings?
Okay, in terms of products portfolio, our products ranges from grid-tie inverters, hybrid inverters, microgrid, micro inverters, and also battery packs ESS. But for India market, for the moment as of we are speaking right now, our BIS certification is only ready for grid-tie inverters. But fret not, other products such as hybrid inverters and so on, BIS is coming, but based on the local demand as well.
And if we talk about the distribution plans of the products of the Growatt, of the inverters, so what's your strategy for that?
Okay, for now we have a quite well-known and mastered distribution market in the local market as well. But we are just trying to expand in a way that we try to make sure the quality and the services provided by the distributors itself is up to our standard. Means that we are not blindly expanding. We are trying to shortlist and also fine-tune our distribution market in the local India market.
And if I talk about the Indian solar market, so how you find the Indian solar market as compared to the international market?
Okay, as we can see right now, the few major markets of solar in the world will be European market, American market, China, yes, of course, is big on its own, and also African, and last but not least, whole Asia Pacific. So comparing to all other regions, we believe that Indian market is the next big thing. Given the conditions of other market right now is slowing down, but the growing index of Indian solar market is very big and significant. That's the reason why Growatt right now is very focused in India market expansion as well.
So apart from the Indian solar market, so what are your plans for taking the Growatt to the international level?
Okay, right now as you can see, except for Indian market, right, we also have a very big focus on African regions, Middle East region, as it is very well supported by the government policies, and also South American regions. So as you can see, the strategy that we're trying to form here is to try to make sure Growatt's branding and marketing can reach each and every home for inverter use and also the solar market. But in terms of the pace and also in terms of the way we do it, like I mentioned earlier, we try to fine-tune our distribution quality so that we are not blindly expanding. We are not trying to expand so fast to a point that we lose the quality standards.
And what kind of support, like if I talk about the Indian solar market, so from the government itself, like what kind of support you are getting to expand in the Indian solar market?
For the moment, because for Growatt, we are only looking for distribution or direct supply from our Chinese facility in China. So for the moment, we don't have the plan yet to set up our own facility in India itself. So that's the reason why we are not enjoying any sort of policy support as of this moment. But we believe that our clients are actually enjoying such policy supports from India governments, and we believe this also help improve the growth index, also improve the market, and in another sense it also helps with our business as well.
Like how you find the Indian solar market, like there are already there are big Indian players who are manufacturing itself and the various components itself in India itself. So how competitive it will be for you?
Okay, let's put it this way. For the moment, right, the solar industry in terms of R&D and manufacturing, China is still dominating in terms of the quality, the product, the technical R&Ds and stuff. But we believe India will catch up, but it will take some time, because the reason why is India came in not as early. That's one thing. And another way is that India, as of this moment we are speaking, is still quite heavily reliant on the China's tech or supply support. So as of the moment, we will say the relationship between us and the local Indian brands are more like a partnership. So it's not like a competitors kind of a way. And we believe this will go on for the next coming years as well, until the point that Indian local brands can be fully independent. And I believe until the point we can find some way to still continue our partnership. So it wouldn't be any sort of competition or any sort of bad competition, I would say. Yeah.
That's great. And we lastly, I wish all the best to Growatt for the coming years and it grows well in the Indian solar market itself.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks a lot for being with us.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.